Here we are at the Bahamas Suite. Say hello there, Classy Craft. And here we go. We're going into the Bahamas Suite at the Oceanfront Cottages. Here we are. Nice little area, little fireplace. The kitchen, and oh my, we have birthday flowers for the birthday girl. And full-size fridge with the charcuterie in it. All right, so we're set. Happy birthday to Sherry. Yay! Well, here we are at the restaurant's called Sand on the Beach. This is our first meal here in Melbourne. Getting ready for the rocket launch tonight. And the birthday girl is over here with the little chill, so better hurry up and order.